everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to show you how you can decorate or redecorate your home for free. I'm going to be sharing with you 10 different ways that you can really spruce up your space without spending any money at all. I use these methods of decorating all the time because you always have to cut costs somewhere, and sometimes you can do it really easily when decorating. So if you've been meaning to redecorate your space, or you're on a tight budget, or you just don't want to spend any money on decor, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, a free way of adding some color and life into your space, something you can switch up all the time, is by using nature from your yard. You can go outside and take a little clipping off of a tree or a bush or a flower that you have outside and put it into a vase. You can dry them out, you can have them be fresh, and it would really add such a big impact to a space. Buying greenery or flowers can sometimes be pretty pricey, so if you want to do it for free, this is definitely the way to do it. This is really fun to do when the seasons are changing, so you can get some nice fresh color palettes coming into your space, or you could even go and get some twigs or branches. That goes a really long way. It looks beautiful in a nice big vase on a dining table, a living room table, and it'll really bring in a nice abstract, natural feeling to your space. So don't forget that you have nature outside that you can bring inside to reimagine your space. I feel like wall art makes such a big difference right away, so if you wanted to spruce up your space or redecorate, adding new wall art really goes a long way. My favorite way of getting free art up on the walls is by using free digital downloads. I specifically like to use a site called Unsplash. It's actually a website where photographers upload their images and you can download them for free. They're really good quality and there's so much to choose from. That way you can download art onto your computer and print it out at home or print it out in stores and get it to the exact size that you need. I like to go get them printed at Walmart and get them printed on like matte photo paper or a big poster, but that allows you to really adjust the size and nothing will be pixelated. It's always really, really good quality, and I think it's such a great solution for getting some new artwork up on your walls. I like to frame my new prints in existing frames. I also like to use thrifted frames, dollar store frames, or even IKEA ones. All of those are really great affordable options so you can redecorate your walls for free. I'll have that site that I use down below in the description box. Definitely check it out if you're looking for some free digital downloads. There's also a ton of other websites, even Etsy pages, that allow you to download artwork for free sometimes. Sometimes you even pay just $5 to download, $3 sometimes. So you can really cut costs with your wall art by getting digital downloads. I think the best way to redecorate your space and really make it feel exciting again is by simply rearranging your furniture. I've done so many videos in the past showing you different layouts that you can do around your living room and your family room to really change up the look of your space drastically. This costs no money at all. All you have to do is spend the day just pushing your furniture around the room. It's so much fun and it really changes up the feel of the space. I really love doing this in rooms that you spend a ton of time in. Maybe it's your home office, maybe it's your bedroom, your living room. So by changing up the layout, you can totally redecorate your space for free. This is so much fun to do in an open concept space because walls aren't restricting your layout. So if you have an open concept space, definitely consider rearranging your space. It's super easy and it's not permanent at all. If you're lacking some ideas on how you can rearrange the furniture in your living space, I'll have my video linked down below so you can check out the layouts that I used and hopefully they'll work for you too. The next thing I suggest doing, which is probably my favorite thing to do, I do it all the time, every few months, it's what I would call shopping my home. And this is really easy to do. If you kind of have a cohesive color palette throughout your space, you can take things from one room to another and it helps redecorate and reimagine that space. I like to do this with throw pillows, accents, wall art. By switching them up from room to room, it really makes a huge difference and it helps give a whole new look to another space. I like to do this every few months, kind of go around the different spaces, shop from different rooms of the home, put things in new areas, and it just makes the space feel new and exciting again. Sometimes doing this actually makes you appreciate a piece more because you can see it in a different light, you can see it against different colors. It just makes it super exciting. So highly recommend house shopping. Something that I've recently discovered that I'm sure you guys all know about, and if you haven't, you need to know, Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace has free items on it. So if you're wanting to refurnish your space, redecorate, find specific items, there's a lot of people on Facebook Marketplace giving things out for free. So you could find a full dining set, full living room set. Some people just need their stuff gone. If you're somebody looking for something in particular, check out Facebook Marketplace, because I think you could probably furnish your entire house for free on there. Yeah, some things are kind of old or maybe, I don't know, need some work, but you'd be getting some free items and that can go a really long way. So don't underestimate Facebook Marketplace. If you're looking for some furniture, you don't have a budget to spend, head there and I'm sure you will find what you're looking for. Now, a really fun, easy DIY that you can do to redecorate and reimagine a space is simply spray paint hardware. If you have cabinets in your kitchen, your bathroom, built-ins, or even a dresser, you can remove the pulls and knobs, spray paint them, and you'll have a brand new look. This will cost you absolutely nothing if you already have a can of spray paint lying around. You can do it with door handles, light fixtures, and you can transform your space, make it look a little bit more cohesive by spray painting them all the same color. So if you're looking for an easy DIY to do to transform your home without costing anything, definitely consider spray painting your hardware around your home. It will make such a huge difference. Another free thing that you can do to change up the look of your space is change up the look of your furniture. This can be done sometimes just depending on the piece that you have, but sometimes disassembling furniture can totally create a brand new look. This dresser right behind me actually had a huge mirror attached to it and it made it feel dated and it made me not like the dresser at all. But as soon as I removed the mirror from the top of it, it totally gave me a brand new look. It allowed me to hang a mirror up on the wall and recreate the look of this dresser space. So if you have one of those dresser vanity combos, I highly recommend taking off that big mirror, reimagining the piece below, styling it, adding a new mirror or new artwork, and it will look like a brand new space. Another little free thing that I did to change up the look of this dresser was flip the hardware upside down. This is upside down hardware. It's fully functional. It gives it a new shape and it just gave the piece a brand new look. Obviously this can only be done with specific styles of hardware, but I feel like this kind of lightened up the look of this piece and changed up the style of it. So if you're getting bored of a furniture piece that you have, but you still want to keep it, change something up about it, remove the doors, change up the handles, remove a mirror, and it will make such a huge difference. Another really fun, easy DIY that you can do around your home is create new purposes for decor items that you already have. I have a ton of baskets and I love reimagining them into something else. I recently turned an existing IKEA basket that I had into a pendant light and it totally transformed the look of the space. It brought in a new element into the space. It added some height, some texture, some light, and it was so exciting to use something that I already had and make it into something brand new. I already had all the supplies to create a pendant light out of my basket, but if you didn't, that would probably cost around $10 or so. Either way, it's a really affordable solution to redecorating and repurposing items around your home. Now, a really fun, free thing that you can do to redecorate the walls of your space is actually frame wrapping paper. If you have extra wrapping paper around your home, putting it inside of a picture frame and putting it up on your wall really creates brand new wall art and you would never know that it's wrapping paper. I think this looks so fun in kids' rooms or nurseries because it really adds a nice graphic, fun, colorful look to a space. Again, buying wall art can be really expensive, so this is a very affordable way of getting some color, some print, some texture onto your walls and making it look fun and exciting. This is super customizable as well because you can just cut the shape that you need and it will fit right inside the frame. So if you need something that's really large, this is a great thing to do. And if you need something small, it's also great to do. Now, my last free decorating idea is use that extra paint that you have lying around your space and paint something new. Whether that be an accent wall, a door, your window frames, or a piece of furniture, you can use existing things around your home, reimagine them using paint you already have, and come up with a free redecorating solution. This way you can use up the product that's laying around your home that you might not ever touch again and use it for something exciting and fun. Do a little DIY project, use that extra paint, and it's a free solution to creating a brand new look to your home. Alright, so that's it for today's free decorating ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed them, and I hope they were something new that you never thought about. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these free ideas you'd like to try in your home, or if you've already tried any of them already. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!